Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today's Hump Day. It's May 23rd, Wednesday here, and we got some data this week. So, as unlike the first 2 days this week, Monday, Tuesday, we got some economic data on the calendar here. So, we'll start out the market manufacturing PMI flash for the month of May. So, back in April, we had a 56.5, and it had a slight uptick to 56.6. So, just barely increase there, but nonetheless an increase. However, we get the services industry, so the market non-manufacturing or services PMI flash for the month of May. So we had a 54.6 in April, and it jumped up to 55.7. So on these two indexes, anything above 50 is considered expansion and or optimism. So obviously this is a good sign. Those two picking up in May. We also got new home sales for the month of April. So we see and these are at the annualized rate. So we had a 672,000 back in March annualized rate, and the forecast was supposed to go up to 682, and it actually took a step backwards to 662, unfortunately. So new home sales actually pulled back a little bit in April here. Not last but not least, we have by 11 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, we'll have the FOMC minutes release. So investors will be searching through there for any clues on rate hikes, inflation talk, economy, all these different things that they're going to be looking for, and that will be released by 11 o'clock Pacific time. Now, that could definitely play a big role in the market, whether it's stocks or bonds or both. Depending on what they find, if there's any news in there or any surprises in there. So just be careful moving forward around the midday point here. Right now, the stock market is down. We got the stocks, the Dow is down over 100 so far this morning. It's taken most of its points or most of its information from concerns over the geopolitical and trade. So again, we've heard that the North Korea meeting may not happen now. After all, it still hasn't been official yet, but they're still saying it may not occur. And then also trade. I guess President Trump basically put out maybe a tweet or made some comments regards to his disappointment in the length of time or the progress in U.S. and China trade. So that's kind of put a little bit of a sour mood on the markets. So the market's been kind of on the decline today after being optimistic these last 2 days and rising upwards. Now, again, this is more sentiment or these mood swings, and this could quickly reverse as soon as something else comes out that's positive, and they'll swing back the other way. So just be careful when you see these, because these could be quick head fakes, so to speak. So we'll go sway one way, and it quickly could go back the other way. So just be careful when you see these things out there. So as we see, the bond market's way up here. Even though we're slightly down for the day, we're actually up from yesterday, and we're actually up about 20 basis points, approaching the 25-day moving average here, and a lot further from this floor support. So if we fall, we got a long ways to fall, and it won't be pretty here. So if you guys are out there and have are in a transaction and have not yet locked in, you may want to take advantage of this, but you can carefully flow, but be careful that you may want that a quick trigger. Put your finger on the trigger and be quick about locking right away. So just cautious out there, okay? 10-year Treasury, we broke below this floor of support, which became floor of support. We're approaching 25-day moving average. Again, this may not sustain itself. Again, it may close above there, especially after we get the minutes released. But again, if we still have these geopolitical concerns and trade concerns, it's possible it could help us out. The mortgage-backed securities keep helping us out a little bit. But again, these are it's the pendulum going back and forth, and it could quickly go the other. As soon as it came in, it could go the other direction. So again, just be careful of these. It could be again a quick head fake here. So this is what's helping out bonds here with the 10-year Treasury coming lowering here and approaching the 25-day moving average here. All right, so that pretty much wraps everything up. The rates are improvement today. We do got improvement in our interest rates today. Again, so just be cautious out there. I can't emphasize that enough. But if you guys want to get updates, just come over to Twitter. I'll be posting updates on there, and probably even some, if there's anything that comes up of interest from the notes, I'll put that out there on Twitter. And just follow me at Mike Bjork. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day. We'll look forward to see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.